Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Small Talk Podcast. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to see you here again today.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone listening. It's wonderful to be back with you all. We have a really important topic for today.
That's right, Robert. Today we are going to talk about back pain. This is something many people experience, and we want to help you understand it better.
Yes, back pain is very common. Many people feel pain in their back. Some people feel it every day. It can make life difficult.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel, share this episode with your friends who are learning English, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us.
Yes, please do. We love hearing from you. Leave a comment below about your experience or questions. We read every comment.
So, Robert, why do people get back pain? What are the reasons?
Good question, Emily. There are many reasons. One reason is sitting for too long. Many people sit at a desk for their job.
Yes, I understand. I sit at my desk all day. Sometimes my back hurts. Is that because of sitting?
Exactly. When you sit for many hours, your back muscles become weak. Bad posture is also a problem. Posture means how you sit or stand.
What is good posture, Robert? Can you explain it?
Of course, good posture means sitting straight. Your shoulders should be relaxed. Your back should be straight, not bent forward.
I see. So when I sit at my desk, I should sit straight. My shoulders should be back. My back should not curve forward.
Yes, that's perfect, Emily. Another reason for back pain is heavy lifting. When you lift something heavy, you can hurt your back.
How can we lift things safely, Robert?
Good question. When you lift something, bend your knees. Keep your back straight. Use your legs to lift, not your back.
So I bend my knees, keep my back straight, and use my legs. That makes sense. What else causes back pain?
Stress is another reason. When you are stressed, your muscles become tight. Tight muscles can cause pain in your back.
Oh, that's interesting. So stress is not just in my mind, it affects my body, especially my back.
Exactly right. Your body and mind are connected. Another cause is not exercising enough. If you don't move your body, your muscles become weak.
So exercise is important. What kind of exercise helps prevent back pain?
Many kinds help. Walking is very good. Walking is easy and simple. You can walk for 30 minutes every day.
Walking is easy. I can do that. What about stretching, Robert?
Stretching is excellent. Stretching means making your muscles longer. When you stretch, your muscles become more flexible.
Can you give me some examples of stretches?
Sure. Touch your toes. Stand up and try to touch your toes with your hands. This stretches your back and legs.
That sounds simple. What else?
Lie on your back. Bring one knee to your chest. Hold it for a few seconds. This stretches your lower back. Do it with both legs.
That sounds good. What about strengthening exercises?
Yes, strengthening is also important. Planks are very good. A plank means lying face down and holding your body straight.
How long should I hold a plank?
Start with 20 seconds, then make it longer. Try to do 30 seconds, then 45 seconds, then 1 minute.
So I start small and become stronger. What about swimming?
Swimming is fantastic for your back. The water supports your body. Your muscles work, but your joints are safe. Swimming is very good.
I like swimming. It sounds like a fun way to help my back. What about at work?
Great question. At work, take breaks often. Stand up and move around. Stretch your arms. Stretch your back. Don't sit all day.
How often should I take breaks?
Every hour, stand up. Walk for 5 minutes, stretch for 5 minutes, then sit down again. This helps your back.
That's practical advice. What about my desk setup?
Your chair should support your back. Your computer screen should be at eye level. Your elbows should be at 90 degrees when you type.
So my desk environment matters. What about my mattress?
Yes, your mattress is important. A good mattress supports your spine. Not too soft, not too hard. Medium firmness is best.
How should I sleep to protect my back?
Sleep on your side or back. Don't sleep on your stomach. Your pillow should support your neck. Keep your spine straight.
What about stress relief, Robert?
Stress relief is very important. Yoga is excellent. Yoga helps your mind and body. Meditation also helps. Sit quietly and breathe slowly.
How do I do meditation?
Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, close your eyes, breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Focus on your breathing. Do this for 10 minutes.
That sounds peaceful. What about heat and ice?
Good question. If you have pain, ice helps in the first few days. Ice reduces swelling. After that, heat feels good. Heat relaxes muscles.
When should I see a doctor?
If your pain is very bad, see a doctor. If pain lasts more than 2 weeks, see a doctor. If you feel numbness or weakness, see a doctor.
That's important advice. Let's summarize what we learned today.
Yes, let's review. Back pain has many causes. Sitting too long causes it, bad posture causes it, heavy lifting causes it, stress causes it.
And we learned solutions. Good posture helps, walking helps, stretching helps, strengthening exercises help, swimming helps.
Taking breaks at work helps. A good mattress helps. A good pillow helps. Yoga helps. Meditation helps.
Heat and ice can help. And if pain is bad or lasts long, see a doctor. That's good advice.
Right. Back pain is common, but you can prevent it. You can manage it. Small changes make a big difference.
Start with one thing. Maybe start with good posture, or maybe start with walking. One small change leads to better health.
Exactly. Don't try everything at once. Choose one thing, practice it for 1 week, then add another thing.
That's a great strategy. Thank you for listening to Small Talk Podcast. We really appreciate you.
Yes, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe. Share it with friends who are learning English.
Leave a comment below. Tell us about your experience. Do you have back pain? What helps you? We want to hear from you.
We read all your comments. Your feedback helps us make better episodes. Keep practicing English. You are doing great.
Remember, learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress. Even small progress is good progress.
That's right. You are stronger than you think. Keep going. Keep practicing. We're here to help you.
Until next time, take care of your back, take care of yourself, and keep learning English.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode. Keep talking. Keep learning. Goodbye.